Are you tired of feeling like you need to show your face to succeed on YouTube? You're not alone. Many aspiring creators struggle to find their unique voice without the pressure of being on camera. The truth is, YouTube has evolved, and a new trend is emerging: faceless channels. These channels leverage AI tools to create engaging content without ever showing the creator's face. This shift is not just about keeping up with technology, it's about reimagining what's possible on the platform. Starting a faceless channel is surprisingly easy today, thanks to a plethora of AI tools at your disposal. From voiceover generators to video editing software, the barriers to entry have never been lower. This opens up exciting possibilities for creators who want to focus on their message rather than their on-camera presence. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, the question is, what kind of content can you create when you're not constrained by the need to be on camera? Let's look at some examples. Channels like Relaxing ASMR and Faceless have gained massive followings by producing high-quality, faceless content. They use AI to create soothing music, voiceovers, and even animated videos that captivate audiences worldwide. Another example is CGP Grey, which uses animated videos to teach geography and history. These channels prove that you don't need to be on camera to build a loyal audience. AI-powered tools help them produce consistent, engaging content that resonates with viewers. However, like any new frontier, there are challenges. Creators must navigate issues of content originality, finding ways to stand out in a crowded space. Engaging an audience without a face also requires creative strategies, from storytelling to interactive elements. And then there's the learning curve for AI tools themselves, which can be steep for those new to video production. One of the most inspiring success stories in the faceless YouTube channel trend is that of a channel called Polyglot Club. This channel uses AI to create language lessons, complete with interactive exercises and voiceovers. What started as a small project quickly gained traction, attracting a community of language learners from around the world. The creators' use of AI not only streamlined the content creation process but also allowed for a level of consistency and quality that resonated with viewers. This channel's growth is a testament to the potential of AI-powered content. The significance of Polyglot Club's success cannot be overstated. It shows that with the right tools and mindset, creators can build a loyal following and produce high-quality content without ever appearing on camera. This breakthrough moment has inspired many others to explore the possibilities of faceless channels, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on YouTube. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI-powered channels are here to stay. They offer a new way for creators to express themselves, connect with their audience, and produce engaging content. Whether you're interested in education, entertainment, or any other niche, AI can help you bring your vision to life. The potential for creativity and innovation in this space is vast. By embracing AI tools, creators can focus on what truly matters: their message, their passion, and their unique perspective. So, if you've been hesitant to start your own channel because you don't want to be on camera, consider the possibilities of a faceless channel. You might be surprised at how much you can achieve. To all the creators out there, I'd love to hear your thoughts on faceless channels. Have you considered starting one, or do you already have one? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the intersection of AI and content creation, check out my next video where we dive deeper into the tools and strategies that are changing the game.